Hi, my name is John Horn, and I am the CEO of StubGroup. I'm going to explain to you why I believe that StubGroup is the right partner to choose to fix your Google suspension. So first of all, for context, StubGroup is a Google Premier partner. And there are very few agencies that reach this status. One of the things this means is that Google has said that StubGroup is in the top 1% of all Google partners worldwide in terms of how we treat our customers, the performance we drive, and so forth. And another thing that comes with this status is an advanced support team at Google to help us with various issues. Now, I always try to be very clear to say this doesn't mean that we can just call someone at Google to flip a magic button and suddenly your account is unsuspended, because that's not how Google works. And I have seen some agencies talk about things like, oh, we have an inside man we can call who works for us. And what I can say from our experience is that it's not uncommon for those quote unquote inside men at Google to actually recommend to businesses they're working with to reach out to StubGroup for help. Because quite frankly, our team here at StubGroup knows far more about Google's policies and how Google enforces those policies and what triggers them than the vast majority of people who actually work at Google. But one thing that does come from this advanced support team at Google is the ability in some situations to escalate issues, to push back, to try and get some additional information. It's very dependent upon the situation, but we leverage that team as much as possible to be successful for our clients. We've also been doing this for over a decade. We are not new to fixing Google suspensions. To give you some backstory, way back in the day, we got into this space of fixing Google suspensions because some of our clients had issues. And most agencies, when they come across policy issues, they run the other way. But we said, hey, let's figure this out. Let's see what's going on, how to solve this. And that's what got us into it. And then we found from there are so many other people who needed help that we made this an important part of what we do as an agency and built out a dedicated team of people who do nothing but work on suspensions all day, every day. I think that's an important distinction to make too, compared to some people you may come across who say they can help with suspensions, is that everyone who works for us and is working on fixing suspensions is a full-time StubGroup team member. We're not, finding random people on Fiverr or Upwork and giving them access to your accounts. No, we have a dedicated team of people we've trained and who are constantly training themselves, learning new information, and staying on the cutting edge of what's changing with Google policies. And they are focused, again, exclusively on fixing Google suspensions for businesses who hire us. We work with all kinds of suspensions. So we have seen pretty much everything under the sun when it comes to issues and problems that can come up with Google Ads accounts, with Google Merchant Centers, with Google Business Profiles, with local service ads. And we do a lot of work across a lot of different Google properties and entities. And we worked with pretty much every size of business you can think of as well. Everything from an aspiring musical artist who's, got a YouTube ad account suspended and came to us and said, hey, I want to get this back online so I can share my music videos. Everything from that to, massive companies, brand names you would recognize if I were able to share them, spending millions and millions of dollars with Google. We've worked with everything. We've worked with businesses who won Shark Tank deals. We've worked with just local mom and pop around the store. We've worked with startups who are just getting into Google Ads and ad accounts suspended immediately. We've worked with all of it. And at the end of the day, we bring the same level of support to our clients, regardless of whether you are that small mom and pop or you are a multinational corporation. At the end of the day, we want to see you be successful with Google, and we want to make sure that you are compliant with Google's policies and get back online with Google. And you don't just have to take my word for it, because there are countless great reviews online from businesses who we've helped. And it's not uncommon at all to see them say things like, hey, our current agency we were working with wasn't able to solve it, or sometimes even we hired someone else who specifically says that they try and fix suspensions and they weren't able to figure it out. And then we came to StubGroup, and StubGroup was able to figure it out. And frankly, that's one of the most exciting parts of the job here, is just seeing that success, seeing we got someone unsuspended, and then seeing how happy they are, how much of a difference that makes to their lives and to their business, and seeing those great reviews and great words that they share about how we were able to help them. And I think it's very important to make the distinction that we work completely white hat. What I mean by that is we're not working with scammers, with illegitimate businesses who actually want to violate Google's policies. We are focused on businesses who do want to work within the bounds of what Google allows and are simply having problems for whatever reason, whether that be incorrectly being flagged by Google, or sometimes, yes, you did mistakenly violate a policy. It wasn't intentional or malicious, and we have to fix that to get you back online. But we are committed to reinstating your ad accounts. We're not just here to try and pump out a new account and be like, oh, forget your old account, let's just pump out a new account. We want to get this black mark removed from your name and work to figure out what got your ad account suspended, or your merchant center, or whatever it may be, and then fix the problem, get Google to agree it's fixed, and get you back online. And one thing that we do, because we genuinely want to see businesses succeed with Google and not have policy issues, is that we share a lot of free information through things like our YouTube channel, where we have millions of views, through our website, through other sources, because we want to help businesses stay online with Google and fix problems, and hopefully never have those problems to begin with, because they were, they saw from us how to stay compliant with Google. And something I'll also say is, I've definitely seen other people, other businesses be a little bit sketchy, let's just say, in terms of things like, oh, we have this free website audit tool, or hey, get this free lead magnet of all the things that could be wrong with your site. And then they don't actually deliver on that. They collect your information and then they try to sell you on their service, but they're not actually delivering the information they promised. And that's not the approach that we take. We share a lot of free information, and if we tell you we're going to send you something, we actually send it to you. And if you do choose to hire us to help you fix the suspension, we kind of put our money where our mouth is. So the majority of the fees that we charge to help you with your suspension are refundable if we are not successful in getting you back online. Now, we have a very high success rate, so we don't often have to send those funds back, but we do honor that. And we want you to know that we have skin in the game as well, and that we're not here to make a quick buck. We are here to get you back online successfully. But the journey doesn't stop there either. We also have an offer where we apply a significant amount of what you pay us as credit towards our ongoing management fees if you choose to have us help manage your campaigns after you get back online. There's no obligation to do that, but we've seen many businesses just dramatically improve their business success because they found us because of a suspension issue, and then we fixed that, and then we were able to bring our expertise, our premier partner status, to actually managing their campaigns and driving performance. And in addition to that, we also offer support if your ad account were to be suspended in the future. Now, hopefully that never happens, but sometimes it does. For some businesses, especially businesses that operate in more sensitive areas, Google may suspend you again for some reason. They may incorrectly flag you again, things like that. And so an offer that we have is, after we get you unsuspended, for as long as we're, stay connected to you, we will help you again if you get suspended again at no additional charge. So we're here for the long term. Again, it's not about making a quick buck. We have been around for a decade. We're not going anywhere, and we are here to help businesses succeed with Google Ads. We also try to make the process of fixing your suspension as painless as possible for you. And that includes things like helping out with making changes to your website if you don't have a website developer or team who can make changes for you. Other things that we just try and bring to the process to say, we are your partner here, we are your guide, we want to help you in this very difficult, challenging, frustrating time. And I think the last thing that I'll say about what sets StubGroup apart is our persistence. So persistence is key in fixing Google suspensions, because there's so little information that Google shares about what the problem is, and because Google is so inconsistent with how they enforce things, how they review appeals. And so you need someone who is on your side, hammering on Google, hammering on what might the problem be, thinking outside the box, being persistent, not giving up if we don't immediately get the answer that we want, but just going to bat on your behalf and bringing that patience and persistence to the table. So thank you for spending your time watching this video, and I hope you'll agree with me that StubGroup is the right choice to fix your Google suspension. You can reach out through our website, stubgroup.com, talk to one of our team members, and we're looking forward to helping you get back online with Google.